Hi there, welcome to another episode of ABC Useful Tips, and I'm really glad to be able to share with you today how you can organize your Google Classroom assignment questions or any posts into specific topics. Alright, from the beginning where you have no topic, or you can actually create several topics so that you can rearrange everything that you have assigned to students into very beautiful categories and not just jumble up like that. Okay, it's very difficult to find assignments because they're all of different ideas into this form where you can actually easily find by topics of the assignment by clicking the topic, and you will find anything or assignment related to the topic easily. Alright, so all will be beautifully arranged, okay, and you can easily find them in the future. So how do we do this in a simple drag and drop method? Let's dive right in. To be first to notify our future useful EdTech video, please remember to click subscribe at the bottom and also click the notification bell and give us a like and maybe some comments of how you can use it, right? Then we'll dive right in. So now we'll show you step by step how to get organized in your Google Classroom such that in the future you and your students will be able to find certain assignments and work, okay, homework or any notes or anything according to the topics that you want easily. And where do you find that? And that is under Classwork. Click on Classwork, you will see that on the left hand side there are actually a list of all the topics, but they're all set by you. Alright, so it's good practice that at the beginning of the year or any semester or term that you would like to set all the topics that you'll be in the order that you want. Alright, and also you can also set the topic when you are assigning some work. Okay, if there's any new topics that comes up along the way. Alright, so we'll also show you that you can easily move all the assignment into different topics or even rearrange all the topics easily by a drag and drop function created by Google Classroom. Right, to create or set a new topic is very easy. You just have to go again back into Google Classwork, and click on Create. At the bottom you will see topic. Click on that. Alright, you can set a new topic. In this case, let's say I were to set a new topic, Jamboard. Okay, click Add. The topic will appear at the left hand side. Alright, right on top. Alright, and the new topics will be added on top of the list. However, you may not want this list in this order anymore after adding any new topics. So you can adjust any of the topics easily in the arrangement by just a drag and drop function. And that is, you have to go over to that particular topic name here on the right where all the topics and files are. Okay, so let's say for example I want my games to be the starter. Alright, so I just at the beginning, since it's a lesson starter, I will go to this name, okay, topic name, click on it and hold on to the click and pull. You will see that all the files right under the topic will be grouped together. Alright, and you can easily just move them to the location that you want. In this case, I want it right on top. Okay, now release once the position is correct. So I can keep doing that until all the arrangement here is correct. I can see now, okay, games lesson starter is right on top of the list on the left. Alright, and the next thing I want up there could be Google Classroom. I want it up there. Alright, this to be here second. So I'll just have to go down in Classwork, down to Google Classroom Tips, click on it, drag up again, just below the lesson starter. Alright, you see the bow at the back. Let's show you again. You see the bow shade at the back. Just let go when the shade is at the right position. Cool, and then you will see on the list on the left, Google Classroom Tips on the left. And this list on the left will actually allow you to go straight. If let's say you have a whole year of work and there's so many assignments under each category, right? You'll be very long, so you can jump straight down, alright, to the notes. Let's say in this case, by clicking the one on the left, and it's so important to rearrange them. Then if you want to see all the topics again, I'll just click on all topics and I'll go straight right to the top. Alright, now I'm going to demonstrate to you how do you also move or adjust, okay, add in topics to a particular assignment that you have not already added the topic. So in this case, all this list that is right on top here without a topic name on top of it, okay, below create, these are the assignments or their work that do not have a topic assigned to it yet. Okay, so usual way is that you need to click on it. Alright, go into the question. You have to click edit here by clicking on these three dots on the top right hand corner to click on edit. Alright, and then you will go down to topic and click on it and click on the topic that you want. So in this case, it's Jamboard Intermediate, is Jamboard. Alright, this is also an area where when you set a new assignment, you want a new topic, you can straight away create new topic from here. Alright, we're not going to do it here. Okay, so you can save. So now back at the Classwork panel, you do not see the Jamboard Intermediate anymore right on top. Alright, it has gone down to the Jamboard topic. Alright, you see this Jamboard Intermediate right there inside the Jamboard. Okay, so you click all, you can see that right below here. Cool. However, there's an easier way, and that is the drag and drop function, similar to drag and drop the whole topic. And that is, you can just click on the assignment or the work that you want to move and just hold the click and move it. So in this case, this is a starter game. I'll put it under starter, and there it appears. So you can even adjust it to the in-between different files. Alright, so let's say for example this, I also want to go into the lesson starter, and between the two files, I can just move it to the two files until the bow is appearing between them. Alright, means that's the position. I'll let go. So you will see now how the assignment is in between the files. Alright, so let's just take a look at the assignment itself and see whether the topic is right there. Alright, so you click on it, okay, and go and view the topic question. And while you click into edit, you will see now that the topic has been adjusted or changed into the games lesson starter, which is where you have put it in. Hope you like this video of helping you to reorganize all your assignments and work in your Google Classroom and make access to Google work easily via using the topic names. Alright, just a quick review. We have learned how to create a set topic directly from the create button. We also learned how to move the entire topic to a new location, and it will appear here on the panel left. Alright, and you also learn how you can move assignment, alright, between topics as well. Okay, so you can actually move one assignment into another topic, alright, easily. Okay, cool. And I hope you like this video and that you would like to be notified of future videos that are providing amazing attack tips. Please remember to subscribe at the bottom, or subscribe at this round button. Alright, remember to click the bell so that you'll be first to be notified. Give us a thumbs up or even some comment how you could actually use all these tips in this video. I look forward to see you again. Take care.